Unlock 3 animals vocabulary. Abandon, to leave somebody or something somewhere, sometimes not returning to get them. Abuse, violent or unfair treatment of somebody. Abuse, to treat somebody violently or unfairly. Analyze, to study or examine something in detail, in order to discover more about it. Communicate, to share information with others by speaking, writing, moving your body or using other signals. Conditions, the situation in which somebody lives or works. Connect, to join two things or places together. Critically, in a way that is very bad or serious. Cruel, not kind. Damage, to hurt. Debate, to discuss a subject in a formal way. Depend on, to need. Endangered, at risk of no longer existing. Environment, the air, land and water where people, animals and plants live. Extinct, if a type of animal is extinct, it does not now exist. Habitat, the natural environment of an animal or plant. Illegal, not allowed by law. Involve, if a situation or activity involves something, that thing is a necessary part of it. Issue, a topic or problem which causes concern and discussion. Loss, the fact of not having somebody or something that you had before, or of having less of something than before. Poacher, somebody who catches and kills animals illegally. Protect, to keep safe from danger. Species, a group of plants or animals which share similar features. Suffer, to feel pain or unhappiness. Support, to agree with an idea, group or person. Survive, to continue to live, in spite of danger and difficulty. Threat, the possibility of trouble, danger or disaster. Welfare, somebody's or something's health and happiness.